Hello friends, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Today I am going to discuss a topic that is merger of Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank into a Bank of Baroda, which that become the Bank of three, means the merger of this bank become Bank of Baroda. Only one bank, that is Bank of Baroda. And we have to see the what is the detail about Bank of Baroda. We see the tagline of Bank of Baroda is India's international bank and its headquarters is in Gujarat, and it was founded in 20th July 1908, and it was founded by PS Jaikumar, and now its chairman is Hasmukh Adhia, which is very important. And we have to see the process, for which process that the merger of these banks became one. If we say the government forced last September to become the third largest bank to Bank of Baroda after the State Bank of India and HDFC Bank. Here HDFC Bank, the full form of HDFC Bank is Housing Development and Financial Corporation. If we say the largest bank in a merger basis, the first bank which is merger with five associates of banks like State Bank of Patiala, State Bank of Bikaner, and State Bank of Jaipur, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Travancore, State Bank of Hyderabad, and also Bharatiya Mahila Bank in April 2017, that become a State Bank of India, which is in largest. After that, the Bank of Baroda became the second bank which is in a merger basis. And if we say the guidelines or the RBI's regulation, that the branches of Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank would function as a Bank of Baroda outlets April following the amalgamation. Amalgamation means the mergers. And if Bank of Baroda said the consolidated banks, means the Bank of Baroda saying that they have, means the power of 3, that becomes the 9,500 branches and 13,400 ATMs and 85,000 employees to serve the 12 crore customers. They have 12 crore customers of 3 powers, means the Bank of Baroda. Also, all customers of Dena Bank which is under PCA, means prompt corrective action, PCA, which is the RBI regulatory or RBI framework which has the secure the bank to any fraud, will have the renowned access to credit facilities immediately, etc. Also, in this amalgamation or the merger, what customer will do? Customer include depositors of Vijaya Bank, and the Dena Bank will treat customers of Bank of Baroda, means they will not called as Vijaya Bank or Dena Bank customer, they became the Bank of Baroda. On 1st April 2019, according to the RBI guidelines. Regarding hence Bank of Baroda is saying to customers that regarding your banking services, currently there will be no change. You will continue to get services from the same account number, passbook, checkbook, ATM or debit and credit card number, etc. And Vijaya Bank issued a notice to customers that update them Aadhaar detail, means they are saying to their customers that to update their Aadhaar detail into their bank account. In a separate letter to its customers, Dena Bank said that they can continue to avail banking services with their existing account, means what they have previous account they can work with that, means there is no change in their account or debit or credit cards, passbooks, internet or mobile banking until further notice. However, eventually customers will need to update their details with entities including the income tax department, insurance companies, mutual funds, the NPS, means national pension systems, among others. Or reorganization of branches and ATMs to eliminate any overlaps will also be conducted, potentially inconveniencing some customers. Also, here what shareholders do, means the shares of the shareholders, what that became different or the same. Shareholders of Dena Bank and the Vijaya Bank will get shares of Bank of Baroda, means they will not get them from their own bank, they get from Bank of Baroda, which is became 3, means power of 3 bank. For every 1,000 shares of Vijaya Bank at rupees 10 each, investors will receive 402 equity shares of Bank of Baroda at rupees 2 each. And in Dena Bank, where 1,000 shares of Dena Bank at rupees 10 each, investors will receive 110 equity shares of Bank of Baroda at rupees 2 each. And this the swap ratio, means the changing ratios were based on stock prices on September 17, 2018, because the government forced to Bank of Baroda to become the third largest bank with amalgamation of two these banks. On that basis, the stock prices calculated on 2018 September 17, the day the government announced the merger, Bloomberg Quint had reported. Thank you.